loves, it's your girl Brandy Giz, and today I decided to do a different kind of video featuring a nail product that I picked up at Sally's a couple of weeks ago. And this is from the ASP, which is All Seasons Professional. It's a soak off gel polish kit, and it's really simple, easy, and quick to do, so you might want to give it a try. It lasts a good 2 weeks. I applied this here pretty color on my nails, and I'll list everything down in the description section. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. But yeah, this was like really inexpensive. I think it probably ran up for about $9 or $10 at Sally's on sale. So if you see this here kit and you have like a LED or UV light, something like this, I picked mine up on I ordered mine on Amazon.com. It was like really inexpensive. I think it was like 20 something dollars. You might want to invest in that because you can save a lot of money. I think gel is around 30 bucks, and if you buy the light and this, it equals the same amount. So I'm here to share with you all what I use on my nails and how to save some money and do your own. So with that being said, on to the tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz. So I decided to do a nail tutorial because a lot of you all asked what I've been using on my nails. Is it gel? Is it polish? So I figured I have the time to film for you guys, so I'm going to share with you all my secret and what I've been using. Lately I've been using this All Season Professional. It's a ASP. It's the Soak Off Gel Polish Mini Try Me Kit. I picked this up from Sally's, and it was, I believe, on sale. Can't remember the price, but it was less than $15. And it comes with this 2-in-1 dehydrator. It's a cleansing wipe. It also comes with your top coat, your bonder, and your base. And it also comes with the Passion Pink gel polish. But on today, I probably will end up going with this one, and they had buy one get one free and at Sally's, and I'm going to go in with this pretty Tiffany blue color, and the name of it is called Blue Crush. I have my light, and the tools that I'm going to use is in front of me. I don't have any cuticle lotion, so I'm going to go in with the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I have my file and my buffer, my cuticle nipper. I use this tool to push my cuticles back, and just a brush to get under the nails. So I have some warm water in this here jar. This is what I use to give myself a manicure. So I'm going to do a manicure first because I have a lot of dead skin on my nails. My nails are looking a little whack today, so they'll look a whole lot better once I finish. So I'm going to show you guys my nails. They're looking a little whack, but they'll look better once I finish. So let's begin. Okay. So I'm going to push the cuticles back. I'm going to clean under the nails, and I'm no way a professional. I just do my own nails to save money because I can spend my money on something else. The next thing I'm going to do is use this cuticle nipper, and I noticed that the lady who does my nails, she used this brand right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll list it on the screen for you guys. I noticed that she used this, so I went online, I believe Amazon, and I just ordered it and dip them in this water. And I usually keep this in the water for about two minutes. So what I'm going to do is start like cleaning up my cuticles. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the 2-in-1 dehydrator, and this is used with my paper towel. I'm going to do all my nails. Now this is the fun part. I'm going to apply the ASP. This is a bonder to all my nails, and this is a pH bonder that helps with like adhesion. So we'll apply this. So you don't need to put this under the light, you just allow it to just air dry. And then we're going to go in with this base. And this base, you're going to use an even coat over all the nails. I'm going to start with my pinky finger. And I'm going to make sure I don't hit the cuticle. Make sure you don't hit that cuticle because you don't want it to dry on the cuticle or on the skin of your nails. And I have another tutorial. It's probably old, but it's kind of like the same thing. And I think I did that probably about 2 years ago. I do an even coat. I'm going to do the thumb. Something was on that nail. So after you do this, you want to cure it under the lamp for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to take my lamp, and this is a Melody Susie. You guys, I've hauled this before. I ordered this online from Amazon. Okay, once I did this, I need to scoot this over, and I'm going to apply this gel polish. That's next. So I'm going to shake that really good. I don't want to apply it too close to the light. So I'm going to go in with Blue Crush. That'll be much better if I put it like that. And I just want to make sure I do an even color. You can always go back. I just want to apply it a one even coat on the nail. Make sure I don't hit the cuticles. If you do, make sure you clean it up really good. Okay, so it should look like so. I'm going to cure these nails under the light for about 30 seconds. That's 30 seconds. I want to do a second coat because I don't like the streakiness that I see. So I'm going to go in with a second coat. Now the fun part. I'm going to apply a top coat on top. It's just like polishing your regular nails, but you're just going to put it under the light each time. Alrighty, so we are finished with our left hand. The nails are going to be tacky. As you can see, it's tacky. What you're going to do is use this dehydrator, and it just wipes you just wipe it off and it takes the tackiness away. And if you don't have this, you can always use some alcohol. But since I have this, I'm going to use this and wipe the nails off. This here paper towel. I'm gonna wipe the tackiness off. Alrighty, so I'm back and this is the final product on how the nails turned out. Really nice. I love it. Looks good, don't it? So give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video, and I will do more videos like this. Looks nice and professional. Nice little manicure going on. And this should last me for about a good week. And I will be taking that off and probably just applying like a clear coat afterwards. But we'll see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye.